Oh, we certainly have. And what a day we had today. I mean, nice and warm and a little bit of a breeze out there. You can see the palm fronds, what's left of them, fluttering in the breeze. Yeah, the big freeze got a bunch of palms and a bunch of other stuff too. We'll have to see how it shakes out. But that's the kind of day we had. I think we'll have more cloud cover this weekend, though. That's almost certain. I'm certain about it, at least. Satellite and radar combined, and let's throw in the winds and throw in the boundary that we knew was going to come on down to the western part of the valley and park itself, and it has. But we've been fortunate to be on the east side of it, which means we get to keep and have kept that south to southeast wind throughout the day, and that's helped to warm things up nicely. So we go from tonight on to tomorrow, and that line, that boundary here, is just going to kind of sit out there to our just northwestern edge, and then it just withers and goes bye-bye. Leaves Saturday warm and nice. Again, a fair amount of cloud cover, but still, we'll see the sun poke through now and again, and we'll keep that southeast wind, keeping it warm across the valley on in through the evening Saturday. So it looks like we've got a great start to the weekend, and we'll have a great finish as well. So overnight tonight, 68, mostly cloudy, some patchy coastal fog possible, much like the last overnight, and you're going to start your morning out pleasant overall, 68 to 70 degrees in that mix of clouds and the occasional batch of sun. And you can see temperatures warming on up to the low 80s by noon. Get you a chance to get out there and get some work done. Absolutely topping out in the mid 80s there in the afternoon. As well, if you have Saturday garbage pickup and that garbage can is empty, those afternoon winds gusting to 35 will certainly have it rolled over or maybe in the road. Now we're talking about going out and doing a little fishing tomorrow. What a perfect day, almost. Still a little breezy, but wave height about 2 to 3 feet and some moderate chop on the bay. Not too bad, but lots of cloud cover, as I said. Now this weekend, we will have increasing humidity, building throughout the valley. So that means the fire weather risk isn't going to be awful, but still with so much vegetation that's been just shocked and burnt, not really burnt, but by the freeze, it's all turned brown and red and ugly. Well, that is fuel for fires. So if you're going to do any outdoor burning this weekend, make sure that that combination of dried vegetation and gusty winds doesn't bite you. So make sure you monitor that fire all the time. And some of you still are under burn bans: Willacy County, Starr County, Jim Hogg, and Zapata. 86 on Sunday. I told you we'd have a great end of the weekend as well. Breezy and humid, yes. And then next week, we have a frontal boundary coming on down, a cold front. The green represents the chance for showers, about a 30% chance for showers for Monday and Tuesday. This is Monday evening, and this front, the leading edge of cooler air, just continues to push on down across the valley. Notice we'll have north winds on the backside. Now, don't get too upset. We're not talking about a big Arctic blast like we had last time. We're talking about a cool down behind a cold front. Yeah, so that's the good news, that we're not going to drop like a rock. But we will be in the mid-60s, and that has been trending down if you've been keeping track. So, we'll keep an eye on it. But again, we're not expecting any kind of big, bad, nasty, cold weather at all. We are expecting that 30% chance for showers both Monday and Tuesday to be fairly pleasant, though, if you ask me. But no drought relief out of that. It's still going to be bone dry out there behind that rain. Sorry about that. So that's how we work. We'll have more about it at 6.